Nobody talks about the worst part of rebuilding yourself. That there's a stage where you just feel like an absolute fraud because you still have the same habits, the same attachments, and the same beliefs as the old self, but you're trying to grow into someone new. So when you say things like, I'm consistent, I'm disciplined, I'm happy, healthy, and wealthy, it just feels fucking fake. And it won't happen through affirmations alone. You build belief the same way you build muscle, through repetition. You don't think your way into a new identity, you have to earn it. So take action, build evidence, and outwork your doubt. You've got this.